Hey guys, welcome back to the Educated Barfly. Today is a historic day because it is the first time that we're doing a tequila cocktail. And what better way to do a tequila cocktail than to introduce you to the Oaxaca Old Fashioned, which I believe was created at Death & Company. And because I didn't do my homework, I actually don't know which bartender lays claim to it. I know it can be found in the Death & Company book. That's not where I found it. I've been aware of this cocktail for many years. It is very simple and awesome and amazing, and I love it, and I want you to love it too. So without further ado, let's just get into the cocktail. First thing we're going to do, a few dashes of Angostura bitters, and then, a bar spoon of agave. All right. We'll get that agave out the way. Right. And today we're using Azuñia Tequila, which is an awesome organic tequila from Jalisco, and it is a second-generation family that is making it. So we do 1.5 ounces of Reposado Tequila. It can't be Blanco. It can't be Añejo. It has to be Repo. So Repo Tequila in the glass. And then 1/2 ounce of Mezcal. Today we're using illegal. And as you can see, I'm repping my illegal shirt. Love me some illegal Mezcal. It's going to be great in this cocktail. And then, last but not least, our rock ice. We're just I'm gonna have to knock off a little thing. If it doesn't quite fit, you want it to, really fit the most. But if it doesn't fit, you can always just knock off a little. So you can see it's nice and tempered too, so it's not gonna. And as you twist it, it will melt down. No, it's still a little too big. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. You can just knock the corners off. That should do it. There you go. That should do it. There we go. That's what we want. And we'll just give it a nice stir until we've chilled it. Kind of raise that up a little bit just to kind of mix in the agave. That's it. There we go. Sufficiently chilled, sufficiently diluted, sufficiently mixed. Go. Take a little orange twist. And there you got it. Oaxaca Old Fashioned. Oh, by the way, hit subscribe and hit like. I can't believe I forgot that. I do not want to forget that. If you like our stuff, please hit subscribe. We're trying to get those numbers up, and it really helps us out. You would be doing us a big solid if you subscribe to our channel. So if you like what we're doing, hit subscribe, hit like. Thanks a lot, and see you next time.